Can you just give me a summary of what you know about Regina's work?
Okay, so I think there are just two important aspects of her work. I think that she was someone like that as a Jewish intellectual living in Poland, she felt responsible for her nation. She was someone like a spokeswoman for the nation, because the nation was silent. Yes, had been silent up to that point, and probably she realized at some point that this culture was threatened. Maybe she even had a premonition of its vanishing in the future, and she wanted to do everything to preserve it. She felt it was a big treasure, and so she was a very brave woman, and I really like reading her as a publicist, not only as an ethnographer, because it was the major thing that she was doing, yes, but she was also a publicist, and she felt that the Yiddish culture and the Yiddish language are a great treasure, and she went against she fought with the assimilators, and she said, you know, when you if you claim you know the Jewish nation just having met the assimilators, you are wrong, you are mistaken, because you just know the margin of the society. If you want to really get to know the nation, you really have to become familiar with its customs, with the folklore, you know, the superstitions, the proverbs, and the literature, and the Jewish people have developed a culture and a civilization of their own, and its distinctive features and its uniqueness doesn't mean that it's hostile. You know, get to know it. She says to the Polish people, get to know it and benefit from it. Treat it as an asset, not as an enemy.